Hello guys, how are you? Today, this one thermostat problem. So you will see this one display will not working properly. Not anything showing temperature up down. So first I will this one breaker off, and after this one downside lock. So this one press, the display will out. So after that this one screw will removing. Screw will remove it, and this one downside wiring panel. Red is phase line, blue is compressor making on off, and yellow is high, low, medium speeds. So this one is new one. Before this one same portrait, but this one old one display properly not work. And this one is another panel. So now I will put wire, and now I will fix it. This right side up, so you will this one showing up upside this point. So new one is now I will put second screw. So need more informative, so like my channel, subscribe and share my video. Now this one put it, so after I will breaker on, and this one will be work. Okay, see you next video. Goodbye. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.